Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget for like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's all. The key in factor has been ranging between 3% and 5% since assigns equals 5, which is deemed to be a neutral area. Option traders are no longer offer searching for downside protection, meaning they might lack accessment, but at least they have abandoned the fear sentiment seen in the last few months. Considering Bitcoin a current ascending channel pattern, Bitcoin investors probably should not worry too much about the lack of the buying demand, according to futures market data. Of course, there is healthy skepticism reflected in the derivatives metric, but part of a 29% US dollar BTC price remains clear as long as inflation and employment statistics are under control. The views and options expressed here are solely those of the elder and do not necessarily reflect the views on the Cointelegraph. Every investment and trading move involves risks. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. CFTC and the SEC propose reporting rules for the ledger hedge of funds on the crypto exports. The two U.S. financial regulators cited the growth in the hedge fund industry as the reason for the proposed change, due in part to digital asset investment becoming more common. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission or CFTC has proposed requiring larger advisors to curtail hedge funds to report any exports to digital assets. In the Wednesday notice, the SEC and the CFTC proposed amending their confidential reporting for the certain investment advisors to private funds of at least 500 million US dollars. The firm PR would require qualifying hedge funds to not include exposure to the cryptocurrencies when the reporting cash and cash equivalent, but rather add then under a different category to report digital asset strategy accurately. The two U.S. finance regulators cited the growth in the hedge fund industry as the reason for the proposal change, due in part to digital asset investment becoming more common since from PR was introduced in the 2008. According to the SEC and the CFTC, having investment advisors provide more detailed information on the strategies and exposure to certain assets will allow the financial stability of things council to better assess potential risks to the U.S. economy. And they decide since the SEC and the CFTC jointly adopted from PV, regulators have gained vital insight with respect to provide funds, said SEC Chair Jerry Gensler. Since then, the private fund industry has grown in the growth asset volume by nearly 150% and evolved in the terms of its business practice complexity. If adopted, this proposal would improve the quality of the information we receive from PF filers, with a particular focus on the larger hedge fund advisors. A fact sheet on the proposal released on Wednesday saw where the number of private funds has increased by roughly 55% between 2008 and the third quarter of the 2021, according to data from market research firm IBIS World. There were based hedge funds as of 2022. Pricewaterhouse Coopers reported in the June that roughly one-third of The traditional hedge fund is Starfleet Global were invested in crypto, but more than half had less than 1% exposed to digital assets out of digital total assets under management, according to the firm, responded city's regulatory and tax uncertainty as the aggressive barred investing in the crypto. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.